Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some nostalgic cottagecore aesthetic home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Nostalgic cottagecore aesthetic home decor is a warm, dreamy decorating style that makes your home feel like a cozy memory from the past. It combines the romantic charm of an old countryside cottage with vintage sentimental details that remind you of simpler times, like grandmother's home, childhood memories, or peaceful village life. The style is deeply rooted in comfort, nature, and soft nostalgia. Key features of nostalgic cottagecore decor: vintage furniture like old wooden tables, dressers, rocking chairs, or distressed cabinets. Uses soft floral patterns like floral curtains, bedding, wallpaper, and cushions. Warm, cozy textiles. Use crochet blankets, lace runners, knitted pillows, and soft rugs. Nature-inspired touches. Uses fresh flowers, jade lavender, ivy, plants, and botanical prints. Uses antique accessories like old clocks, ceramic teacups, framed vintage art, candles, and books. Uses soft colors like cream, beige, dusty pink, shish green, warm browns, and muted blue. The nostalgic feeling. The nostalgic part means decorating with items that feel personal and timeless, like family heirlooms, handmade crochet pieces, vintage photo frames, old style lamps, embroidered fabrics, classic wooden shelves. These pieces make the room feel emotional, peaceful, and full of memories. The overall vibe. Think of a rainy afternoon, a warm cup of tea, floral curtains moving in the breeze, soft lamplight, handmade crochet blankets on the sofa. That is the nostalgic cottagecore feeling. Nostalgic cottagecore aesthetic home decor is more than just a decorating style. It is a feeling of warmth, comfort, and old memories brought into your home. It combines cottagecore charm, the countryside, cozy cottage, and nature-inspired beauty, nostalgic mood, vintage memories, old-fashioned comfort, and sentimental pictures. The whole idea is to make your home feel soft, peaceful, and full of heart. The mood and atmosphere. This style creates a home that feels like a grandmother's cozy sitting room, an old countryside cottage, a peaceful rainy afternoon, warm tea and handmade cake, soft music and candlelight. It focuses on solo living and comfort, not modern perfection. Important decor elements. Here are the main features that create this look. First, vintage furniture, wooden side table, old dressers, rocking chairs, distressed painted cabinets, antique mirrors. Furniture should look slightly aged and lived in. Soft fabrics. This is one of the most important parts. Crochet blankets, lace table runners, floral pillow cover, knitted truss, cotton curtains, embroidered cushions. Since you like crochet decor, handmade crochet items fit perfectly here. Nature-inspired details, fresh flowers in ceramic vases, jade lavender, ever plants, botanical wall art, oven baskets, wooden trays. Nature gives the room that dreamy goddess feel. Sentimental vintage touches. The nostalgic side comes from meaningful pictures, like old family photo frame, antique clocks, ceramic teacups, vintage books, heirloom accessories, old lamps. This makes the room feel personal and emotional. Best colors for this aesthetic: use soft muted colors like cream, beige, dusty rose, shiz green, firm brown, faded blue, and soft lavender. These shades create a calm vintage atmosphere. The goal is to make your space feel cozy, romantic, vintage, peaceful, nostalgic, and naturally beautiful. It should feel like a home full of stories and memories. This style is really about creating a home that feels like a beautiful memory from the past. It mixes countryside charm with sentimental pieces that tell a story. The deeper meaning behind the style, nostalgic cottagecore is inspired by peaceful village life, old cottages with flower gardens, handmade crafts, family heirlooms, solo and simple living. It is not about making your home look perfect. Instead, it is about making it feel lived in, warm, and comforting. Cottagecore often celebrates simplicity, nature, and old-fashioned home's comforts. Why it feels nostalgic? The nostalgic part comes from objects that remind you of the past, such as grandma-style crochet blankets, vintage floral teacups, old wooden cabinets, framed family photos, embroidered tablecloths, antique mirrors, classic books, and candles. These pieces make the room feel personal and emotional, almost like every item has a memory attached to it. Important textures and materials. Texture is a big part of this aesthetic. Use soft cotton, linen curtains, lace runners, crochet pillow covers, oven baskets, natural wood, ceramic vases. Layering textures make the room feel soft and cozy. Lifestyle feeling. Cottagecore is also a lifestyle mode. Use baking homemade bread, arranging flowers, reading by a window, knitting or crochet, drinking tea in the evening, enjoying candlelight. It brings a calm and peaceful energy into everyday life. Since you love vintage and crochet decor, this style suits your taste beautifully. This aesthetic is all about creating a home that feels soft, timeless, and emotionally comforting. It blends the dreamy beauty of countryside cottage living with treasured items that remind you of the past. Cottagecore itself is centered on an idealized rural lifestyle, solo living, and handmade beauty. The heart of the style, nostalgic cottagecore, is less about following strict design rules and more about creating a storybook feeling in your home. Imagine lace curtains moving on the breeze, an old wooden shelf with teacups, crocheted blankets on a sofa, dried flowers in a ceramic vase, candlelight in the evening. The room should feel warm, gentle, and full of memories. Why it feels nostalgic? The nostalgic part comes from pieces that feel personal and meaningful. Example: old family photos, grandmother's style crochet tireless, vintage clocks, own wooden furniture, antique mirrors, classic books with aged covers. Nostalgia decor often focuses on items that spark emotion and memories rather than just matching a trend. Perfect textures for this look. Texture is very important in cottagecore spaces. Use lots of soft layers like crochet straws, lace table runners, floral cushions, linen curtains, knitted blankets, oven baskets, natural wood furniture. Layering this makes the room feel cozy and lived in. The color palette. Soft and faded colors work best, like cream, ivory, shiz cream, dusty rose, faded blue, beige, and warm brown. These colors help create that vintage and peaceful atmosphere. The lifestyle feeling. This style is also reflect a way of living. Baking, gardening, crochet and sewing, tea time, reading by a window, decorating with seasonal flowers. It celebrates the simple daily comforts and solo living. Cottagecore is a style that makes your home feel like a peaceful memory and a cozy storybook at the same time. It blends countryside beauty, vintage charm, and meaningful personal touches. The whole look is made to feel warm, soft, and emotionally comforting. The emotional feeling of the style. This style is less about perfect design and more about how the room makes you feel. It should feel like a quiet rainy afternoon, soft sunlight through lace curtains, the smell of tea and fresh flowers, an old wooden rocking chair, a crochet blanket on the sofa, candles glowing in the evening. The goal is comfort, calmness, and gentle nostalgia. Storytelling through decor. Every item in nostalgic cottagecore should feel like it has a story. For example, an old ceramic teapot, a vintage mirror, framed family photographs, handmade crochet covers, antique books, heirloom pages from family. These sentimental details are what make it nostalgic. The decor becomes personal and meaningful instead of just decorative. Nature and handmade beauty. A big part of this aesthetic is using things that feel handmade and close to nature, with wooden furniture, wicker baskets, dried flowers, floral wallpaper, linen curtains, lace runners, crochet pillow covers. Handmade pieces add soul and warmth, which fits beautifully with your interest in crochet decor. A lived-in cozy nook. Unlike modern minimal decor, cottagecore welcomes a little softness and life. For example, books stacked by the bed, yarn baskets near a chair, flowers in small jars, folded throws on the sofa, teapots on open shelves. It should look cozy and lived in, not empty. This style is really about creating a home that feels comfort, that feels like comfort, memory, and timeless beauty. This style is a mix of nature, memory, and comfort. It takes the soft countryside charm of cottagecore and adds sentimental pieces that feel collected over time rather than bought all at once. Designers often describe it as a style built around storytelling and emotion. The nostalgic feeling. The most special part of this aesthetic is that it feels familiar and comforting, like a cherished memory. It often reminds people of a grandmother's cozy home, old village cottages, rainy afternoons at tea, handmade blankets and quilts, flower gardens outside the window. The space should feel soft and deeply personal, almost like every item has a memory attached to it. Collected, not perfectly matched. Unlike modern styles that look very polished, nostalgic cottagecore looks best when it feels collected over time. For example, an old wooden table, a vintage lamp, lace curtains, a crochet throw, floral cushions, framed old photographs, ceramic teacups on shelves. Nothing needs to match perfectly. The charm comes from mixing pieces with history and warmth. Nature and old world charm. Nature is a huge part of this look. Add things like fresh flowers, dried lavender, potted herbs, oven baskets, wicker chairs, wooden trays, botanical prints. Natural textures such as oat, linen, cotton, wicker, and pottery help create the cottage feeling. Soft layered textures. The room should feel warm and layered. Good textures include crochet blankets, quilts, lace table runners, knitted pillows, linen curtains, and soft rugs. Layering fabrics is one of the easiest way to create that nostalgic cozy mood. The lifestyle mode. This aesthetic is also about solo, peaceful living. Think of making bread, arranging flowers, reading by candlelight, crochet or sewing. Tea time in the evening. It turns everyday life into something gentle and beautiful. The overall feeling. The goal is to make your space feel cozy, romantic, vintage, peaceful, nostalgic, and naturally beautiful. It should feel like a home full of stories and memories. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.